Okay, everybody, DJ George here. October 2nd, 2010, at the PGI Civic Center. Come on in, and I'll show you the setup. Pretty large wedding here today. Okay. Pan around the room here a little bit. Everybody's just getting here. Very, very nice room. The cake. Gift table. Head table. And I've got two 15s on the top. And the 118-inch subwoofer, powered subwoofer. Got my two Rollotrons up there, and the two LED lights. Some nice patterns on the ceilings, and the floors. Take you back here. Also have the one Revo light back here. Okay, bride and groom's songs right on the digital laptop. And got the two laptops here. Okay, it's like if this was my wedding, I want it to be neat and professional. So that's why I bring the DJ booth, make it very neat. And you gotta have some bottom end sounds. I bring the bass. After dinner, the dancing. Okay, October 2nd, 2010. DJ George here. We'll see you in a bit.